Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shubhi and here I make some lifestyle and beauty related content. So if that interests you, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share a purple haul with you guys. So few days back, I shopped quite a bit from purple.com. Those who don't know, Purple is a cosmetic site or app where you can shop makeup, skincare and stuffs like that. So yeah, without making this intro any more longer, let's just quickly get into the video. Okay you guys, so I have this huge box of Purple. As you can see, वैसे तो 2 बॉक्स आए थे पर मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इसमें ही कर दिए हैं. Let me just show you guys randomly one by one. Okay, so the first product I have is Blue Heaven up to 8 hours stay get bright fairness and foundation BB cream. So first of all, I didn't notice that it promotes fairness guys, वरना मैं सच में नहीं लेती, पर ठीक है. This also includes SPF 15 PA+++ multivitamins suitable for all skin types. This is how it looks like. और इसमें 2-3 शेड आते हैं आई गेस, और मैंने लिया है 301 हनी मीडियम, जो कि कहीं से मीडियम नहीं है. इट्स वेरी ब्राइट एंड वेरी लाइट शेड. दिस इज हाउ द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट्स नॉट लिक्विडी. I don't think my dry skin will love this product. It's very thick और इसमें fragrance भी काफी ज़्यादा है और काफी weird भी है. बहुत सस्ता सा परफ्यूम जैसा महकता है, वैसा टाइप का. It has really sheer coverage as it is a BB cream obviously, and it's for ₹125. मुझे कुछ ऑफर प्राइस पे मिला है जो कि मैं स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूंगी. ओके, सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, बायोटिक एडवांस्ड आयुर्वेदा बायो नीम प्योरीफाइंग फेस वॉश. दिस इज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक. इट्स वेरी ह्यूज जायंट साइज ट्यूब. इट क्लेम्स टू प्रिवेंट पिंपल्स एंड इट्स ऑल्सो मेंट फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई डोंट नो ये मेरी कौन सी वाली ट्यूब है. I have finished it so many times. Okay, so I love this product more than the Himalaya का जो purifying neem वाला आता है उससे ज़्यादा, because पता नहीं, it works for me more than that, and it's just a very good face wash to have. I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. I will give all the links in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. So next up, I have a lipstick from the brand Purple itself. So I have their Ultra HD Matte Lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like. I really like the packaging. It opens something like this, and then you have the product. It costed at ₹399 and I got it for like 50% off. I got it for ₹200 I guess, which is really affordable. And this is how the lipstick looks like. The shade is so pretty, but the name says that it is Ultra HD Matte, but it's not a matte lipstick, it's a creamy formula. Okay, so let me swatch this lipstick for you all. As you can see, it's very pretty pink shade. I don't know the exact name of this shade, but it's more like a pink sort of a shade. And the shade called Hiking Partner 11, and I have also applied this lipstick on my lips right now. I think it looks beautiful, but it is not matte. If you like creamy and moisturizing lipsticks, this one is for you. But I'm not a huge fan of creamy lipstick. I like my lipsticks to be matte, really matte and long lasting, so not for me. But overall, the lipstick formulation, the color, the price, everything is great. Okay, so next up I have a foundation from Stay Quirky liquid foundation enriched with vitamin E. This is how the product looks like. It comes with a pump packaging, which I really like. It's very convenient to use. And the shade I got is, कहाँ पे लिखा है यार shade? Oh, sorry, Honey I Am Golden. and I think I got a shade darker than mine. So here's the product. Let me swatch it. इसमें भी काफी weird सी smell है. Can you see? It's very sheer, very lightweight foundation. This is more like a daily wear BB cream, क्योंकि foundation जैसी coverage तो इसमें है नहीं. You can use it as your BB cream. It's also very affordable. It's just for rupees 165, which is under 200. My main motive to get this foundation is because I am planning to do a affordable makeup video, of course with a great quality. मैं इसको पहले try करूँगी. अगर ये अच्छा हुआ, then I'll include this in my video. Okay guys, so the next product I have is NYBay matte lip crayon. This is how it looks like. The packaging is very basic. Let me unbox it पहले. So the shade I got is For the Boys of Summer. And this is how the product looks like. Let me swatch it here first. Oh my god. It says that it's a matte lip crayon, but it has shimmer particles in it. I don't know if you can see, but इसमें थोड़े थोड़े shimmer particles हैं, which I hate in my lipsticks. As I said earlier, I like my lipsticks to be matte, non-shimmery, non-glossy, non-creamy. I like full matte lipstick. यार लोग matte बोल के क्यों creamy, shimmery देते हैं? पर ठीक है, this crayon is also really affordable. I guess it's just for rupees 150 or something, and I got it for 50% off. So under 100 मिला मुझे, पर उतना भी पैसा मैं क्यों वेस्ट करूँ इस प्रोडक्ट पे जो मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं. So it's a fail for me, but if you like satin finish या फिर shimmery kind of lipstick, then you can try this shade out. Also guys, NYBay is Purple's in-house brand. So अगर आपको कुछ भी खरीदना है NYBay से तो सिर्फ Purple की साइट या फिर ऐप पर ही मिलेगा आपको, और कहीं से नहीं. So if you want to try this out, you can shop it from purple.com. Next up, I have two products from Plum Goodness. One is their Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash, and the another one is Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. I have used this in mini sizes and I love this. मैंने पहले full size में invest इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि I have heard that this is meant for oily acne prone skin, which I don't have. तो मैंने सोचा कि full size में invest करने से पहले let me try it out, because I have dry skin type, normal to dry skin type, and I tried it and I really like the product. It works on me really well. So I got the full size products, the face wash and the toner. They both works really great. Okay guys, so next up I have a Blue Heaven Oil Free Flawless Makeup Base Primer. This is how it looks like. I have heard some really great reviews for this product, that it works really good. So I had to try this out. This is how it looks like. The packaging is really nice. According to the price point, it's just for rupees 325 और मुझे 40% off पे मिला था, which is like I got it under 200 rupees. Let me swatch it here. It's a silicone based primer, as you can see here. I can feel the smoothness. I think it's gonna work. I'm really excited to try this product out. Next up, I have a mascara from Blue Heaven again. Let me unpack it pehle. Okay. This is how the packaging looks like. It's their Lash Twist Curling Mascara, super curled and thick lashes, वो तो पता चलेगा यूज़ करने के बाद। क्विक ड्राई, वाटरप्रूफ, नो क्लम्पिंग, लाइट वेट। प्राइस के हिसाब से तो काफ़ी कुछ क्लेम कर रहे हैं, बट विल सी। मैंने इतने सारे ब्लू हेवन के प्रोडक्ट्स इसलिए लिए हैं क्योंकि आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू अ वन ब्रांड ट्यूटोरियल ऑफ ब्लू हेवन, और भी काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल ब्रांड। तो अगर आप लोगों को भी किसी ब्रांड का वन ब्रांड ट्यूटोरियल देखना है तो प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। आई विल लव टू मेक इट फॉर यू गाइज। सो दिस इज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक। आई लाइक द पैकेजिंग, इट्स I can't define, but the quality is really nice. So the wand is very thin. I think it will work, yaar. So the last thing from Blue Heaven is their powder matte lipstick in the shade Woody Flush. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the lipstick looks like. The packaging is nice. It's very like the purple wali lipstick. This is how the shade looks like. It's very pretty mauvish kind of a shade. Also, it's very long lasting, guys. ये सिर्फ 150 rupees की है, which is very affordable, but it stays for really long time. जिस दिन ये रिसीव हुई थी मुझे, मैंने उस दिन ही इसको ऐसे ट्राई किया था अपने लिप्स पे लगा के, एंड इट स्टेज फॉर लाइक गुड 6-7 आवर्स, और इसके बाद भी ये फेड होती है पर स्टेन थोड़ा बहुत रहता है। तो या इट्स वेरी गुड क्वालिटी लिपस्टिक। इट सेज इट्स अ पाउडर मैट एंड इट इज रियली गुड मैट लिपस्टिक। ओके, सो लेट मी स्वॉच इट हियर। Can you see how pretty the shade is? I love this shade, I love this range, I love this formula. Overall, it's a big yes for me. Also, it's really affordable. What else do you want in 150 rupees? It's really great lipstick. You should definitely try it out. So the next product is also a lipstick, which is from Stay Quirky Liquid Lipstick Mini Liquid Lipstick. This is how it looks like. I have the shade Non-Objectifiable या Feeble 8, and first of all, I love the packaging. ये वाले print की packaging, I really like it. It's very cute. The shade is a problem for me. I don't like the shade. It's pink peach sort of a shade. Let me swatch it here. So you see, it's a very pretty peach pink shade, but I don't wear this kind of shades. So, but the formula and the packaging and the price point is really nice. So you can choose the shade according to your preference. मैं इसमें पक्का 1-2 शेड्स और मंगाऊंगी और ट्राई करूंगी। It's just for rupees 199 और मुझे ये 50% ऑफ पे मिला। तो I got it for rupees 100, which is really affordable, and I'm really impressed with the quality. It stays for like a good amount of time, so yeah, you can give it a try. Okay guys, so the next and the last product from this haul is this Bella Voste 4-in-1 makeup stick. This is how it looks like. It's foundation, concealer, contour and corrector. It comes in a bunch of shades, a variety of shades, so you can use this sticks as your foundation, as your concealer, as your contour and as your corrector. I got it in the shade Bronzy Buzz to use it as my bronzer or my contour. So let me open it and show you guys how it looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a really beautiful white packaging. Bella Voste is written on here, and this is how the shade looks like. I don't think it will suit me as my contour shade. जो मेरे से 2-3 शेड लाइटर लोग होंगे उनके पे शायद ही अच्छा लगे, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी लाइट यार। इतना ये मेरे स्किन पे नहीं जाएगा। मेरे से जो 1 या 2 स्किन डार्क लोग होंगे उनके लिए तो ये कंसीलिंग हो जाएगा आई थिंक, पर मैं पक्का एक बार ट्राई करूँगी एंड देन आई लेट यू गाइज नो कि ये कैसा वर्क करता है। and it is for rupees 299 and I got it for like 60 or 70% off. I just got it for like $100. So yeah, ये सेल पे था इसलिए मैंने ले लिया. Okay, so with that we come to an end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video, comment down below which video you want to see next, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.